Hello again. Okay, today we are going to go over week 1, the third page in there, which is page 6, and you'll see lesson 1-8 up at the top. So this is one of our math box pages, so there's several different skills on here. In the first one, you're going to count how many cents. So take a look at what coin that is. It tells you right on the coin. Here we're going to skip count by fives, and you're starting at 25. So use your skills of counting by fives to fill those in. Here they want us to show 2 different ways to make 25 cents, but we can only use pennies, nickels, and dimes. So keep that in mind. Here you're going to start at 12, count up 5, and then circle the answer. Remember, you can always make yourself a number line if you need to, or if you have your number grid in your folder that I gave you earlier on, you could use that, or you can also just count in your head. And then down here, you're going to put the number 3 in the correct spot on the number line. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do number 3 together, or at least part of number 3. So they want us to show 2 different ways to make 25 cents, but I can only use pennies, nickels, and dimes. So what I want you to do is I want you to draw a line kind of going down the middle of the box. That way we have space to write our 2 different ways. So, well, when I look at 25, I know that I can get to 25 by counting by fives. So, and I know that nickels are worth 5 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 25 cents using all nickels. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll do 1 nickel, and I know that that's 5. Do another nickel, that's 5 more. So 5 plus 5, I'm at 10. So another nickel will give me 15. Another nickel will give me 20, and 1 more nickel will give me 25. So I'm not going to do the other way for you because I think you can come up with another way. Now there are several ways. So when we go over the answer that I show you might be a little bit different from the one that you decide. So I'm going to have you go ahead, pause the video right now to do your work, and when we come back, we will go over the answers to this page. Okay, welcome back. So for question number 1, how many cents? 25 cents, because as we see that it's a quarter. Counting by fives, we started with 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and they gave us 60. Now, remember I said your answer might be a little different on this one because there are several different ways to make 25. Now, we did it all with nickels together the first time. So what I did is, if you remember, I always said that one way you can always make coins is to think of it as tens and ones. So in 25, I can see that I have 2 tens and 5 ones. So I did that with 2 dimes, so 10, 20, and then 5 pennies, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Number 4, when I started at 12, counted up by 5, I had 17, and using my number line and counting the lines, I know that 3 would go there. So here are the answers for page 6.